gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. I'm assuming you're clicking this video because you have a pesky pimple that you want to get rid of ASAP. I'm here to share with you all of my natural remedies to help get rid of a pimple overnight or severely make it go down. Kind of got this idea to do an updated version of this because I actually have an event coming up in a few days and I got a annoying crater on my face that I literally want to go away or at least severely swell down before this event comes up. A quick little disclaimer is to make sure you always test patch because of course all our skins are different, so make sure that you guys are test patching on your hand before applying things on your face. But these are all things that work for me, and I do struggle with acne and have very sensitive skin. Thumbs it up if you guys like it, share it of course, and also don't forget to follow my Instagram at NicolettaXOIT. I will also link my merch and my Poshmark closet to shop down below. But pimples is a natural part of life and a lot of us struggle with it. It's nothing to be ashamed of. It doesn't make you any less beautiful. But on that note, let's just jump right into the video. As you can tell, a big pesky pimple has arrived on my face, unfortunately. I'm going to show you guys what I do to get rid of it overnight. Of course, to start off, you need to begin with a clean face, so make sure you have no excess dirt, oil, or makeup on your skin. Once you have a clean face, the first step to do is to moisturize with aloe vera gel. So this is 100% aloe vera gel. I got the gel from an aloe vera plant and I scraped it out of that instead of buying those store-bought aloe vera gels. But when I'm not using this, of course I put it into my fridge and keep it there, and then when I am using it at night I will apply it and then put it right back into the fridge. The higher the concentration of aloe vera in the lotion, the more effective it is for reducing pimples. So I always like to moisturize with aloe vera because when you apply it all over your skin, it's really great to help fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promote wound healing. It's also not only great for those pimples, but great for acne scarring, which I do have a lot on my cheeks. But all you do is apply the gel to the skin at the same time of other acne treatments. So you want to start first with the aloe vera gel, and then I will show you a few different spot treatments to follow up with. Or if you would like, you can always apply your acne treatment first and then the aloe vera gel on top, but I decided to apply my aloe vera gel first. But the main reason why this is so effective is just because it's really great at inhibiting bacteria that causes pimples on your skin. Now I'm going to share with you 3 DIY home remedy spot treatments that you can do. They are super simple and don't use many ingredients, and they are also dermatologist approved. The first one is applying green tea to the skin. All you have to do is steep a green tea in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes, and then you're just going to allow the tea to completely cool down. Once your tea is cooled, you can apply it to your face with a cotton ball, or you can also spritz it on using a spray bottle, but I prefer just applying it with a cotton round. And once you do that, you can either leave it on for 10 minutes or you can keep it on overnight, which is what I typically like to do. And of course, just rinse it off with just water. So you can apply this anywhere between 1 to 2 times per day. And you could store the excess that you didn't use of the green tea in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. So I definitely recommend doing that. Definitely use it up and use it for another time. But green tea has amazing health benefits, not just for drinking it, but also amazing benefits for the skin. Green tea is really high in antioxidants, which has been shown to really help fight inflammation, reduce sebum production, and inhibit the growth of acne in people with acne-prone skin. It's also very easy to do and it's cost effective, which is always great. The second spot treatment is just to use essential oils. So I'm sure a lot of you have heard of tea tree oil being amazing for spot treatment for any pimples you may have. But although tea tree oil is a great option, there are many other essential oils with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can really help clear up your pimples quickly. Whichever essential oil you end up going with, all you have to do is put a few drops into the water, mix it together, and then apply it onto the pimple. I'm going to now list a few essential oils that are said to be amazing for helping clear pimples. And this includes cinnamon, rose, lavender, clove, and even lemongrass and rosemary. These are all amazing and said to be great for fighting acne-causing bacteria. These are all really great essential oils that you can use to help treat your pimples, and you can kind of just see what works for you. All I did was I dipped a cotton swab into the mixture and applied it directly to the pimples. And you could actually do this 1 to 2 times a day. I typically like to just apply it at nighttime once a day. And the final spot treatment is just to use honey. Try to use raw honey, and all you have to do is take a Q-tip and just apply a little bit of honey onto it, then apply it directly onto the pimple and let it sit for 20 minutes. Honey is amazing because it's loaded with active enzymes and is naturally antibacterial. This is really just going to help gently exfoliate, reduce the bacteria, and smooth out your complexion. Honey is also really great for acne scars to help fade it over time. You can apply this every single night before you go to bed. Another way that you can use honey is just to use it as a face mask. So before you're going to use this face mask, you have to make sure that you rinse your face with warm water so you really open up your pores. But all you have to do is apply the honey all over your face, of course avoiding the eyes. Leave it onto your skin for 30 minutes and then rinse the honey off with warm water, and then rinse again with cold water to close up the pores. But this is also a really great way to effectively get rid of any acne or pimples that you have. So you can either use it, like I said, as a spot treatment or as a face mask. That is all for the video. I hope to help you guys out. Thumbs it up if you liked it and share it. Once again, I will leave all my socials, my merch, and my Poshmark closet in the description box if you guys want to check that out. It really helps me out. Don't forget to subscribe. I do upload every single week. But on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!